Syed Abid Ali had the feet of a sprinter, the energy of a marathon runner and the will of a decathlete, but his misfortune was that he was born 20 years too early. His game was made to order for one-day cricket. He bowled brisk medium pace, fielded outstandingly, and was a busy lower-order batsman who ran between the wickets as if on invisible skates. On his Test debut against Australia at Brisbane in 1967 to 1968, he took a memorable 6 for 55, but Abid Ali was forever destined to play choir boy to India's famous spin quartet. In the same series, he scored 78 and 81 at Sydney, a performance that earned high praise from Jack Fingleton, the noted Australian cricketer turned journalist. His career ended abruptly when he was at his peak, after he had top-scored with 70 from number 7 and taken 2 for 35 against New Zealand in the 1975 World Cup. A bizarre postscript to this premature curtailment came when Abid Ali had the dubious pleasure of reading his own obituary after Farouk Engineer mistakenly announced his death on the air. Syed Abid Ali debuted in Test cricket against Australia at Adelaide on 23 December 1967. His last Test match was against West Indies at Delhi on 11 December 1974. Syed Abid Ali debuted in ODI cricket against England at Leeds on 13 July 1974. His last ODI match was against New Zealand at Manchester on 14 June 1975. Syed Abid Ali played 29 Test matches, 53 innings, and scored 1,018 runs with a low batting average of 20.36. His highest score of 81 against Australia at Sydney in 1968 goes in vain as India lost that Test by 144 runs. He hit 6 half-centuries in his entire Test career. As a fielder he took 32 catches. Syed Abid Ali also took 47 wickets with a bowling average of 42.12 in Test cricket. His best bowling of 6 for 55 against Australia at Adelaide on debut in 1967 goes in vain as India lost that Test by 146 runs. Syed Abid Ali played 5 ODI matches, 3 innings, and scored 93 runs in his entire ODI career with a decent batting average of 31.00. His ODI strike rate is 70.45. His highest ODI score of 70 against New Zealand at Manchester in the Prudential World Cup 1975 goes in vain as India lost that ODI by 4 wickets in a thriller. He also took 7 wickets with a strong bowling average of 26.71. His best bowling of 2 for 22 against East Africa at Leeds in Prudential World Cup 1975 helps India to win the match by 10 wickets. Syed Abid Ali had a fantastic first-class record. He played 212 matches, 333 innings, and scored 8,732 runs with a batting average of 29.30. His highest score in first-class cricket is 173 not out. He has 13 centuries in his kitty. He also took 397 wickets with a strong bowling average of 28.55 in first-class cricket. In List A cricket, Syed Abid Ali played 12 matches and took 19 wickets with an excellent bowling average of 19.31.